We recommend everyone to know Black Friday 2020 about ABKONCORE C650 ATX Mid-Tower PC Gaming Case. When is Black Friday 2020 is an annual event just for well known that it is shopping time on. And this year Amazon have selected many products for the shoppers from small businesses and top brands. Beat the holiday hustle and shop for everyone on your list during Black Friday 2020. Happy everyone on Black Friday 2020. You can find wanted, shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification, type, brand and more. If you want to get highlight features and full review of ABKONCORE C650 ATX Mid-Tower PC Gaming Case, please visit the link in YouTube description below. Highlight features or overview summary. Premium Mid-Tower Case. Motherboard support, Mini ATX, Micro ATX, ATX, Power Supply support, ATX, Expansion slots, 7EA. By applying full acrylic side panel, it gently reflects the light, and forms a luxurious atmosphere. The full acrylic side panel also transmits the luxurious LED internal tuning. And so you can see the user's cool system configuration in real time. The honeycomb-shaped full mesh design provides excellent effects for both luxury and cooling. 3 120mm fans can be mounted on the front, and the internal temperature can be kept in the optional condition with 140mm fan installed at the rear. There are 2 movable HDD bay, allowing you to widen the power supply space. And also protect your computer hardware, extend the life of your computer. Water cooling ready, C650 is designed also support water cooling, meet the needs of different consumers. And if you do not understand, not sure or have questions, you can leave questions in the comments box. In addition, if you think our channel that's something useful for you, please press to subscribe us and press the bell. Look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.